took me over 30 years to learn that manifesting money for women is so easy. It's not about visualizing, scripting, or creating a vision board. It's actually far simpler than that it's sickening. So sickening that once you see it, you can't unsee it. And you will start receiving money immediately from everywhere. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how to manifest money as a woman because it is so easy. The way that I see it, manifesting money for women is directly linked to your femininity, attracting and not chasing. Saying no to things that don't align with you because you have the belief that your cup of blessings is overflowing. So you just be. It's not about working harder, doing a vision board every year, scripting every month. That's the masculine way. Masculinity is about doing, whereas femininity is about being. And that's something that I had to unlearn. The enemy doesn't steal your money or blessings. He just needs to make you believe that you can't have it without working hard for it. But there's so many ways that you can receive money without having to lift a finger. From getting your dream job that pays you more for doing less, getting paid to be you just by being visible on social media, starting a business, getting an unexpected raise, receiving a higher bonus than you expected. You can have no idea where you want the money to come from. It doesn't matter what it is. Money is an unlimited resource. And when you start identifying as somebody who makes a lot of money, you will start receiving money in abundance. And that's the first thing that you need to do if you want to manifest money easily. Identify as a wealthy woman. When my daughter was 3 weeks old, I was sitting on the rocking chair breastfeeding her with tears coming down my eyes because I had handed in my resignation the day before during my maternity leave without a plan B, whilst broke, in debt, and no money. And as I'm sitting there crying out to God, asking him why I was in this situation, what I had done wrong to be in this situation, I remember something just told me to go on YouTube. And the first video that was recommended to me was R.C. Blake's The Mindset of a True Queen. And when I tell you, I binged this video a million times because that video changed my life. And the underlying message was about identity and becoming a woman who was worthy, becoming a woman who was valuable, becoming a woman who was confident, becoming a woman who was financially independent. And the more I started becoming and identifying as a wealthy woman, money started coming to me in ways I had never thought of. In my mind, I had thought that I would have to get another job and work my way up the ladder again. But just by entering the state that making money is so easy for me, I started being paid 4- and 5-figure brand deals and to speak on stage. I never thought that I would own a business, but I started being paid for my perspective. Money just flowed to me easily, and all of a sudden, I no longer had a lack mindset or a scarcity mindset. The scarcity mindset that I had held for years, that nothing comes to me easily, that I have to work 10 times harder than everybody else for me to get anything. If you believe that money is hard to get, your reality will work overdrive to prove that you're right, that money is hard to get. A belief is a block. The story that you hold about yourself is a block. That identity that you're desperately clinging onto is a block. That I'm just a person who, or I'm not the kind of person who. But if you identify as the woman who receives money easily, you affirm it by saying, I am rich for no reason. People love to give me their money. I get paid to exist. My money is rapidly growing and I don't have to work hard for it. Your reality will start working in overdrive to prove it to you, because you don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. So when you think about that wealthy version of you who's making 10k months, 100k months, who is she? What does she look like? What is her morning routine? How does she show up? How does she present herself? What does she say yes to? What are her priorities. And then you start showing up and behaving like her, because it's all well and good affirming that you're rich for no reason, you get paid to exist and money flows to you easily. But if the actions that you take and the life that you live are not in alignment, then you're not going to manifest money. Money is attracted to congruency. The next thing you need to do to manifest money easily is something that separates broke energy with rich energy. Okay, so we have two women, same desire of manifesting money easily, but completely different realities. We have woman one, Laura. She's not buying a cappuccino to save money, and she's buying fast fashion because it's cheaper. She's not bad with money, but she's constantly putting out fires instead of building anything. And then we have woman two, Jennifer. She buys a latte to treat herself and invest in quality pieces. She shows up online building her personal brand even though she's an introvert. Who do you think is going to manifest money easily between those two? If you said Laura, shame on you. Jennifer is going to manifest money easily because number one, she's not afraid to spend money. She understands that money is a river. It flows in and out, and that saving money to the point of impacting your life is a form of scarcity, where you have to hold on to every penny because you believe that there isn't plenty enough to go around. When you spend money, you're not only enriching your life by doing things that's going to make your life easier and more enjoyable, you're communicating that you have an abundance mindset and that you're deserving to have everything you want, and that you don't care if money leaves because you know that it's going to come back 100 times fold. When you take action instead of just standing still, you are preparing for wealth by taking the action that's aligned with the kind of money that you want to make. Even when you don't know what you're doing, even when you don't feel ready, and even if you don't necessarily know how you're going to make money, that action is a signal of your desires. That not only do you want the money, but you are now ready to receive it in any way possible. The next thing you need to do if you want to manifest money easily is to just live your life. You keep saying that you're manifesting or repeating affirmations, you're scripting, but the money is nowhere to be seen because the energy beneath that desire is uncertainty. You say, I know it's coming, but you panic every time it doesn't come in your timeline. You say you trust in God and his timing, but your body is tense and your mind is constantly racing. That's exactly what I went through. I was addicted to the outcome of how much money I was going to make and when it was going to come, and trying to control how it was going to unfold. But you need to stop obsessing to start attracting, to have the soft discipline of sitting with the urge to chase but choosing not to. Detachment at first did not feel like empowerment. It felt like a punishment. When you obsess over making money, you're not radiating trust, you're radiating fear. And that fear sends a message to your mental psyche that I don't believe that this could be mine. I don't believe that I can make a lot of money without working hard for it. I don't believe that money flows to me easily. If you truly believe that you can make money easily, you wouldn't chase it, you wouldn't beg for it, you'd allow it, you'd sit back in your feminine power and just live your life. Manifesting money is energetic alignment where your belief, your self-concept, and your nervous system are all saying the same thing. It's already mine. I don't chase, I attract, I allow. You start preparing for it, you embody it, you act in alignment, and you let go. You cannot manifest abundance from lack. You cannot manifest money from fear. You cannot manifest wealth from desperation. Detaching is the only way that you manifest the money that you want. If you're struggling to manifest money as a woman, it's because you're overcomplicating it with so many steps. All you have to do is consistently follow these simple steps and you will start receiving money in ways that you didn't even know existed. And if you want to know how I make money on social media as an introvert, make sure you watch this video. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and money. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.